My name is Roma Roy. I am currently working with SNUD, APAR India College. I have completed my postgraduate diploma in management and I am having 1.5 years corporate experience also. After that, I decided to make my career into academics and APAR India has provided that opportunity to me. After joining APAR India, I came to know about the quality teaching which they are providing to their students and for their overall development and to make them prepare for the corporate world, we also conduct extracurricular activities. For example, we are providing certificate courses to our students to groom their personality and enhance their skills. We teach them how to be well dressed and also how to be well mannered to be into the corporate world. At APAR, we also conduct placement drives for our students which help them to get placed with best employers in the industry. APAR India is focused for providing quality academic education to their students. In this regard, we have conducted regular classroom programs for our regular students and also for those students who are working and cannot attend our regular program. We have conducted Sunday classes for them. Apart from all these academic education, we also conduct extracurricular activities and certificate courses for the overall development of our students. We are conducting courses for giving them computer education like certificate courses in hardware and networking program. We conduct office automation certificate courses to give quality computer education to them, which is the basic necessity nowadays for every human being to learn computers. We conduct certain competitions to boost up their communication skills and confidence level. So, we are inspiring our students not only to become a good professional, but also to become a good human being to be respected in society.